Hi everyone, it's Sherry at Studio 28E again, and today's been like Christmas at my house. Um, I've gotten 3 packages, one from Heidi, one from Sheila, and now one from Sherry Ekdahl. Ekdahl? Please, Sherry, we're gonna have to get together on this. I'll tell you how to say my name if you tell me how to say yours. Anyway, I was not expecting this, but I got this full box from Sherry. Uh, She sent a little note. And every time she printed this, you don't know. We'll have to see what we can do. Oh, isn't that cute? It's like a little bustle. Adorable. Some creepy cloth. Oh, these trims. Look at these trims. I don't think I've seen these anywhere. Love them. Boho Bunny Romance stamp. I don't have any of those either. Oh, tiny, tiny charms. Little butterflies. Wings. Oh, how adorable. Crafter stapler. Oh, it's got colored staples. Little keys. Oh, I've been spoiled. Again. Christmas earrings. Tag. Two hat pins. Love them. Button artist. Create and combine buttons and beads. Peach. Oh, these are so pretty. Jewels and gems and butterflies. Holy moly, Sherry. Broken china. Oh, this would be interesting to use. Yes, yes, yes. Mini craft sacks. How cute. They're little bags. Butterfly stickers. Oh, and these are 3D. Cute. Oh, it's pretty red doily. Look at that. Christmas. Heart embellishments. Oh my. And this is a beautiful piece of fabric. Love it. Absolutely love it. Sherry, I don't know. One of those days, I don't know what to say to everybody. But thank you so much, everyone. I was not expecting this at all. It's totally a surprise. Gosh, all 3 of you were so generous with everything that you sent me. And I do appreciate, in blue, I use this a lot. I do appreciate it so much. I can't express myself. I'm just floored that you all would be so generous. Well, I will post this video. And thank you again, Sherry. And I guess it's time for me to pay it forward to some other people. And Sherry, I'll look at this picture. I don't really know what could have happened to it, but we'll see if we can figure that out. But thanks again. Love you guys. Bye-bye.